He switched lanes without looking, and he clipped me on the back.
Kirby Gordon was hit by a drunk driver 5 years ago. She says the accident was terrifying.
My back and my spine is never going to be the same.
The man who hit her car refused a breathalyzer test, and as a result, he faced a harsher penalty.
Knowing that his punishment was stronger at that time, or he was or there was a stronger penalty because he decided against it, gave me a little bit of solace.
A recent decision by the Kansas Supreme Court overturns the law that made it a crime. Any driver who refused a breathalyzer faced months in jail and a fine around $1,000. Attorney David Langston says the law violated the Fourth Amendment, protecting against warrantless searches and seizures.
You cannot make me give you the product of my body without a warrant.
He says requiring drivers to take the breathalyzer could lead to a slippery slope.
If you take away this one, then what's to not keep you from eroding the next one?
Johnson County District Attorney Steve Howe is worried this law change could lead to drunk drivers getting off the hook.
The reason why we put the law in place is so many of these habitual DUI offenders refuse to do any field sobriety tests, refuse a breath test, and leaves prosecutors with little or no evidence.
But Langston says that won't be the case.
The field sobriety testing and the officer's observations will be enough, if done properly, to lead to a conviction of that person without eroding my Fourth Amendment rights.
Now, the Supreme Court will make a final decision in this case in June. The final decision could impact about a dozen states with laws similar to the one in Kansas, so it could have far-reaching consequences.